Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Rimmel London 3-step highlighter, contour, and blush. So if you are just starting off with makeup and you're like, you know what, I don't know if I want to purchase a separate highlighter, purchase a separate contour, purchase a separate blush. Like, I honestly don't know if there's any good brands out there. I don't know if what kind of highlighter I should purchase, or what kind of contour I should purchase, or what kind of blush I should purchase. Hands down, a good investment, guys. Mine is a little dirty. I'm sorry, I use this a lot too, but just starting off, this does, from what I've seen, and I purchased this at Ulta, and I know they supply this online, they do come in different shades. So these are just like the 3 shades that fit my skin tone, or that are closest to my skin tone. But this packaging does come in like a different highlighter, a different contour, and a different blush. Just, it depends on what kind of skin color you have. So I just want to show you guys what the packaging looks like, and I'm going to turn this over. So this is the 003 Golden Bronze, and I'm just going to read what it says. It says Rimmel's first sculpting palette designed by Kate Moss, which is why it says Kate on the front. 3 shades to highlight, contour, and blush. Long-lasting color seamlessly blends with natural skin tone for a radiant, healthy glow, which I can 100% agree with, because all of it goes so well on my face. And then the first one is like soft shimmer, powder to highlight, and shading powder to contour, and powder blush for definition. And it also gives you a guide for my beginner people who are starting off with their makeup, and like I said, you don't know what to buy, or you don't know where to apply it, or you're just like, I'm just really confused. On the back it tells you where to apply it, and like where it goes, and it'll tell you like 1, 2, 3. And so this is just what the back looks like, and this was made in China. Okay, so the packaging of this, it just says Rimmel, and it has like a gold rim, and I really like this packaging because it's slanted. So the way that they put it in there, it's slanted. And then this is just what it looks like from the side. It has like a black bottom and a clear top. And I'm just gonna open this, and yes, so this top is plastic, like I said, and it opens from the bottom. And I just want to go in and give you guys like a quick look at what the colors look like in there. And I will be doing swatches in a minute. So just a little bit talking about the way I use them. I do use 3 separate brushes for this palette. I don't really use the blush in this palette just because I'm not a blush person. I do have a darker skin complexion, and I just find that like blush like dries me out, and it just doesn't really work for me. So I am not at all saying that this blush is like not good, or that, oh, if you get the palette, like you probably won't use the blush. That is not at all what I'm saying. What I am saying is that I personally don't use it, so I wouldn't be able to tell you guys how I feel about the blush, just because I just never use it. I don't use blush. But as you guys can see, I do use the highlighter a lot, and I love the contour. So I'm just gonna go in and show you, swatch like the highlight, the contour, and the blush for you guys. Let's see. So this is what the highlight looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. I love this highlight just because I love highlights that really like blend in with your skin. And I don't know if you guys can see, but I did swatch it on my hand. It blends in, and it just adds a little shimmer. I'll try to add a little bit more on my hand just to make sure you guys have a good reference of what this looks like. I don't know if you guys still can see. Oh, it just catches the light. So here you guys go. This is what the highlight looks like, and I love the highlight. It's like one of my favorite highlights that if I'm just doing my everyday makeup and I'm just looking for like something good that is just like something solid that I can use, I definitely will always use this highlight. And then the contour. So I'm gonna let it focus. So this is what the contour looks like. I won't swatch that one on my hand just because the contour tends to like I have other contours that really like define my face. This one, it doesn't really, I tend to like go over it with my other contour, and I'll use this as a setting contour just because like it doesn't show as well as my other contours do. And so I'll just use it to set my contour, if that makes sense. Something that I do religiously use, like I said, is the highlight. And then I'll go in and swatch. Okay. So like I said, this might actually probably my first time even like touching this. Touching this blush. I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but I don't use the blushes often. I don't know if you guys can see that. But from the looks of it, it looks nice. It doesn't feel like too powdery, which I like. But like I said, if you guys are starting off and you just don't know a product to get that has a 3-step combo, I really suggest this. The Kate Moss Rimmel London 1, 2, 3-step highlight, contour, and blush palette. And show you what to do on the back. And I just love this one.